Hello, this is Chika from Mimaki Global Marketing Department. In order to offer Mimaki printers to existing Roland-DC printer users, I will explain the first method of color matching, the procedure for transferring the color setting normally used in Roland VasoWorks to Mimaki Rasterlink 7. This allows you to approximate the colors to some extent without getting additional color management software or measuring device such as a colorimeter or spectrophotometer. To begin with, even if you're replacing an older generation of Roland DC printers such as EJ series, XR, or XF series with the latest VZ3 series, there are differences in colors due to differences in inks. Please convince customers that the color gamut of SS21 ink is relatively wider than any of Roland inks, so it can produce the same colors as before even if the printer is replaced to a Mimaki printer. The result of internal variation shows the standard color setting of the Roland-JV330 can produce a color difference average of delta E 8.5 from the standard Roland VZ3 output result. However, by transferring the Roland VasoWorks color settings into Rasterlink, it achieves color difference average of delta E 5.4. As a result, the color of human skin and fruits can be approximated to an acceptable level. I will now demonstrate a step-by-step procedure for transferring the VasoWorks color settings into Rasterlink. Step 1. Check the user's color setting in Roland VasoWorks. First, start VasoWorks. Select the job you want to match the color setting from the job list. Please confirm the target job with the end users to avoid mistakes. In this case, the JV330 sample job has been added in advance for testing purposes. Please contact Mimaki Global Marketing Inside Sales team if you require this sample data. Double-click the job name in the job list to open the sub-window. And open the quality settings by clicking the second one from the top of the icon menu. Click the color management property on the bottom menu and open the sub-window. And please take a note of the ICC profile name set to CMYK in the profile setting. Also for the perceptual, colorimetric, saturation, and absolute setting in the matching method. The important point here is that the color settings and profile settings vary depending on the generation of the Roland DC printers. So please make sure to check the settings for the user's target model. Step 2. Copy the ICC profile from the VasoWorks installation folder. VasoWorks should be closed once here. Next, select the VasoWorks installation folder, usually in the program data folder in the C drive. If the program data folder is not in the list, enable the display of hidden files from the View menu of Windows Explorer. In the Program Data folder, select the Roland-JV330 VasaWorks folder. VasaWorks folder. Then the Profile folder. And the CMYK folder. An ICC profile can be found in the folder which is used in VasaWorks. Copy the ICC profile and duplicate onto the desktop. Step 3. Install the ICC profile in Rasterlink 7. Start Rasterlink 7 Profile Manager. Once the Profile Manager has started, select the Install Input Profile Installation icon on the second from the left. Select the desktop folder where you have just duplicated the VasaWorks ICC profile in Step 2 and click OK. You will then see the ICC profile that you have just duplicated and install it in the Rasterlink Profile Manager. This now completes the installation of the Roland VasaWorks ICC profile onto Rasterlink 7. Step 4. In the last step, set the VasaWorks ICC profile in Rasterlink 7. Close the Profile Manager in Step 3 and start the main program of Rasterlink 7. We will use the CZV330 8-color machine settings that we have temporarily set up. Select the job and click the Print Condition icon. On this screen, enter the any setting name in the color matching drop-down list on the right-hand side. I'm just typing the Roland-JV330 and click the plus button. You have now created a new color matching setting. First, set the color matching method to the same setting as in VasaWorks. Change color matching method to relative, that is the same as color metric in VasaWorks. And then change the input profile to the one duplicated from the Roland VasaWorks. And this is all for how to transfer the Roland VasaWorks color setting to Rasterlink 7. Now we will show you how close the output colors are before and after transferring the VasaWorks color setting to Rasterlink 7. First, print the target color chart with legacy Roland-JV330 printer using Vasaworks. TL2 ink, 8 colors, orange and light black set are in use. We are printing a few copies for sales promotion sample production. It's now printing 900 by 600 dpi, 12 pass, standard mode with 6 square meters per hour speed. Let us play fast forward due to slow speed. Here is the target color chart from VZ2. Next, print the color chart with JV330 using Rasterlink default color setting. SS21 ink, 8 colors, orange and light black set are in use. It's now printing 600 by 1200 dpi, 12 pass, that is similar condition to VZ2640, which is the standard mode, with 13 square meters per hour speed. Here is the default color chart from JV330. Comparing to VZ2 color chart, JV330 default color setting appears to be more natural human skin and fruit colors. However, the colors are clearly different. Lastly, here's the color chart from JV330 with the first method of color matching. This is before the color matching. And this is after the color matching. Again, this is before. And this is after. Comparing to VZ2 color chart, you can see that the human skin and the fruit colors in the JV330 color chart got closer to VZ2. This is before color matching. And this is after color matching. Again, this is before. And this is after. Like it shows, we were able to get JV330 colors closer to VZ2 colors. Thank you for watching the video. Please watch the next video for the second method of color matching. Bye!